So in the third problem, I am tasked to define if this set of variables are homogeneous or not. So we can say that it is homogeneous if our f, x, and y will become, let's say, any variable t, f, x, and y. Therefore, we can define it as a homogeneous equation. So to solve, we will make x to the 1/3 t to the 1/3 times y, oh, this is negative 2/3, so y to the negative 2/3 times t to the negative 2/3 tan inverse of xt over yt. So this is our f xt yt. So combining like terms, we'll have x to the 1/3 times y to the negative 2/3 times t, which is the t to the 1/3 times t to the negative 2/3 is just equal to t to the negative 1/3 by adding the exponents, times tan inverse, this one can be cancelled out, of x over y, and we will move t over here. We have t to the negative 1/3 times x to the 1/3 times y to the negative 2/3 times tan inverse of x over y. So as you can see, this one is our f of x, y, and we have t to the negative 1/3. So therefore, we can conclude that our equation is homogeneous of degree negative 1/3. This is my final answer.